Keeping a toilet clean should not require excess water or complicated tools, and this targeted toilet sprayer is designed to make the job simpler and more efficient. By attaching directly to the toilet's existing water line, it delivers a focused spray exactly where it is needed, helping achieve better bowl cleaning while using less water overall. From the first use, it becomes clear how precise control can improve everyday hygiene. The sprayer's targeted flow allows you to rinse problem areas more effectively than traditional flushing alone. Instead of relying on large volumes of water, the directed spray concentrates cleaning power on buildup and residue, making maintenance faster and more efficient. This approach not only improves results but also supports water conservation, an important consideration for both home and RV use. Installation is straightforward, as the sprayer connects directly to the toilet's water line without complex modifications. Its design makes it suitable for a variety of practical uses beyond standard toilet cleaning, including replacement or repair needs in compact bathroom setups. The connection style allows it to integrate easily where a reliable, controlled spray is required. Built with practicality in mind, this sprayer is a dependable solution for users who need a functional replacement nozzle or a more effective cleaning option. It delivers consistent performance while remaining simple to operate, making it a useful addition for everyday maintenance as well as travel or outdoor applications. Manufactured by Thetford, a world-recognized leader in carefree camping solutions for over 40 years, this sprayer reflects a focus on reliability and smart design. If you are looking for a simple way to improve cleaning efficiency while saving water, check the product link in the video description to learn more and make your purchase. Subscribe to the channel to discover more practical solutions designed to make everyday tasks easier and more efficient.